to the Stringate, I feel like it's very important to know as well. So they'll be giving you a glimpse of what's happening and an idea, and then addressing the main question as to why the youth should take interest. So I'll be starting the youth data collection. So Office of Tech to improve their outreach efforts. One of the main priorities is to also get data of these youth, to find out where these youth are, what they're doing, to get an idea of exactly so what they're doing, where they are, if they have suggestions, ideas, and hearing from them directly through this data collection. So the first step is collecting data from the youth, where these youth are in entire Canada and America. So this is what the current data survey. This is what it looks like. I'm sorry, it's kind of blurry, but some of the questions include very basic information such as their age, their date of birth, their email, what school they went to, if they're graduated, if they wish to return to go back to school, their future long-term goals, and as well as in the second, like the back of the survey, it includes a lot of questions such as what the suggestion area. So this is the ideas and suggestion area. So it's asking them directly, what do you know about CTA? How can we help you? And at the bottom it includes a consent. So it also asks them for their consent if Office of Tibet can use their information. And then